chicken coop and our yard that has been hopefully turned predator proof. So far it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 days and nothing's gotten any of them. And it's a total jungle in there, and the ducks and chickens seem to love it. There they are. Hey guys! What? What are you doing? Hey guys! They're starting to trample it down in there. They put, my dad and oldest son did this and put trees up, and the chickens, I guess, have been climbing up in the trees and sitting to hold up the roof because it's kind of low. Hey, all you guys, what are you doing? I think they're hoping I have food for them. Although I'm sure you have food, you just always see people and you want more food. Hey, pretty girl. There's some of the baby chicks going in amongst the ducks, I mean. Hey. Boy, you don't want to get out of the photo, do you? Where'd the rest of you go? Oh, there's one of the babies, the newer ones. Hey. You're so curious. That's my daughter's favorite chicken right there. Genevieve just loves her, picks her up and carries her around. Hopefully you guys are all safe in there now. Huh? They have a little door into the coop when they want in their food and water. Some water's in there. You guys gonna go? You think I'm gonna go in there and give you food? Is that what? Yeah. And there you are again. There she is again. You don't look very happy. The black one's one of the old hens that's got attitude. And now by the door we have, this is our door to get in, and then down that way it goes back in. It's pretty good size. I don't know, maybe 20 feet square their yard is, so it's pretty good size for all of them. And they still got lots of vegetation to eat and find bugs in, and everything. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Hey, Rascal. And here's our goats. My son just put that in there for me. It's a stool we got from the phone and internet company. They're laying new lines, and I asked if they had a small one, and they did, and the guys brought it over to me while I was working, and I got my son to roll it in here. They seem to like it. Dahlia. This is Dahlia. Hey, Dahlia. She keeps going and jumping on it. She's the only one that I've seen jumping on it. Everybody else is too interested. Dahlia. Too interested in sniffing it and trying to figure it out. Hey, girl. How are you? Let's go. Hi, baby. Hi. Good boy. You're so good. Just another thing to play on. Got the pile of rocks that they like to jump on. That and some stumps and another rock. And the branches are just trees, small trees we've cut down, and they've eaten the branches and leaves and bark, and that's all that's left of them now. Just some sticks, basically. Hey, girl. Yeah, you're up on the stump now. What are you doing, rascal? What are you doing? Sniffing my shoe? Hey, don't bite it. Alright. And Fiona's over there laying down by herself. I don't know what she's doing. I guess she's taking a nap in the sun. Say bye.